All right, so I'm getting my buddy to go outside the truck while I rev it up to the RPM range. First, I'm gonna go around 1800 RPM, see if he hears anything, and I'm gonna continue on to 3000 to 3500 and see if you can hear the sound outside. And if you hear it, if you hear like a knocking sound, give me like a thumbs up, or actually give me a thumbs down if you hear the knocking sound. That's right.
Bought the hood already or no?
I want to say it's in the back.
It sounds like it's in the back, doesn't it?
Yeah, pop your hood. You're fucking... Yeah, you can hear it.
Yeah. So that's the sound that it's making. I don't know exactly what it is. So if you got any information on there, I really appreciate it. So thank you.